Hi, in this video we are going to see the central government vacancies recruitment notification, and here the vacancies are there for the any post graduation with some specializations, and with experience or without experience, and the graduation with experience also. Here the vacancies are there. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government job notification. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects or the requirement is not there in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search, and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending the lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this, in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I'm conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGSNet online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is University of Allahabad, a central university. So from all over the India, whatever the state you belongs to, you may apply for these positions, guys. So there is no any type of domicile conditions here. So the recruitment for non-teaching positions of Group A, applications are invited from Indian citizens for the various non-teaching positions of the university. And coming to the application form will be entertained only through online mode. That means apart from the online mode, there is no any other type of offline mode of applications, guys. So you have to apply through the website only. Fine. And the date of uploading of detailed advertisement and online registration starts from 24/9/2021, and the date of fee payment 24/9/2021, and the last date for online registration and the final submission of the application form is 23rd/10/2021. Right? So 23rd October 2021 is the last date, guys. And coming to the application fee, you may check down here. For unreserved category EWS and SCBC OBC category, fee is 1000 rupees, and the facilitation fee total 1050 rupees. For SC ST 450 and women and PWD Divyang 50 rupees. And coming to the vacancy positions are mentioned here. Total the 12 different designations are there. The first one is assistant registrar, director college development, electronic shop engineer, executive engineer, Hindi officer, internal audit officer, medical officer, public relation officer, scientist B, scientific officer, system analyst or system programmer, system manager or senior system analyst, or senior system programmer, right? And here the payment levels are also given here. So level 10, 11, 12 and 14. So these are the different levels are there, and the total number of vacancies are also mentioned here. Okay, so all the vacancies are comes under the unreserved category only here. So these are the list of the vacancies and the designations, guys. And while coming to the qualifications, so that we will see here, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, as well as online registration link website also I will provide in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and more details, you please once visit the official website, or else whatever the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the minimum eligibility for the category assistant register, so age should not exceed for 35 years, and the relaxation is provided as per the Government of India norms for the based upon the caste category. And coming to essential qualification, master's degree with at least 55% of marks or an equivalent grade in a point scale wherever grading system is followed. Okay, so for application of the assistant register, any post graduation with at least 55% of marks. Okay, here experience is also not required. Okay, in the desirable case, they mentioned as a experience. But even though if you are a fresher, because under the essential qualification, they mentioned only PG plus 55%. Okay, so if you are having that one, then you may apply for the assistant registrar. Fine. And coming to the next one is Director College Development Council. So age limit should not exceed 55 years. And essential qualification, master's degree in arts, science or humanities with at least 55% of marks or its equivalent grade of B, and experience of at least 15 years in teaching, okay, or director of research establishment. The preference will be given to the candidates with proven ability in executing and implementing the funded research projects. Okay, and while coming to the next one, the few desirable qualifications are mentioned here that you may check down. And for the electronic shop engineer shall not exceed the 35 years, and the qualification are MTech in electronics engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, telecommunication and instrumentation, 1 year probation and further extendable for 1 more year. That's it, 2 years maximum. Okay, and coming to the next one, executive engineer shall not exceed the 40 years, and a bachelor's degree in civil or electrical engineering from recognized university with 10 years of experience in designing the systems, okay, of which 5 years experience as assistant engineer or comparable post. Fine. And a few more things are also given here, so you please check down, guys. And while coming to the Hindi officer also, the qualifications are mentioned here. And internal audit officer on deputation, so shall not exceed the 55 years and a master's degree in commerce with at least 55% of marks. And the medical officer shall not exceed the 35 years and essential qualification MBBS. And the period of probation is 1 year and extendable up to 1 more year. Public relation officer shall not exceed the 40 years and a master's degree with at least 55% of marks in public relations or journalism and mass communication or equivalent relevant qualification, and at least 5 years of experience must be there. Okay, and coming to the scientist B, shall not exceed the 35 years and master's degree in engineering is enough. Whatever the engineering it might be, so master's degree in engineering is enough, and 1 year and further extendable for 1 more year. And scientific officer shall not exceed the 40 years and a master's degree in any engineering. Okay, so desirable 5 years of working experience. That is a desirable, guys. Even though if you're a fresher, okay, if you're a fresher in master's degree in engineering, then you can apply for this one. And coming to the system analyst or the system programmer, shall not exceed 35 years, and MTech or first class MCA with 5 years experience in computing, or first class MSc with 6 years, BE or BTech in computer science or MCA with candidates of proven ability and 5 years relevant experience. Coming to the system manager, shall not exceed the 40 years, first class BE or BTech with not less than 65% of marks with 5 years of experience. Out of this, the 3 years experience should be in the just next lower or the equivalent grade. Fine, for those working in the government or autonomous bodies. So here few more things are also mentioned here, so please check down, guys. So totally these are the designations as well as the qualifications required. Okay, and these are all the non-teaching positions, group A post, guys. And if you want to apply, so it is the official website of the University of Allahabad. Okay, so here the dates or last dates is also given here. So click here to apply for the positions. If you want to apply, you have to click on this one. And I will provide this link as well as the PDF link. Both these two links I will put in the description box of this video. So please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your requirement is not met in this video, then please don't worry, guys. Mention your requirement or the subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And if you want to get my next video as the immediate notifications to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means. commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay.